To enable or disable mobile data saver on Xiaomi 17, first of all, we're gonna go to the app drawer and we need to find the security app. Now, once we go to the security app, then over here in common features, you might be able to find the data usage option. But if not, then you want to scroll all the way down and then swipe up to open this toolbox. And of course, you want to go to the data usage. We need to tap on agree over here. And now you can tap on the setting in the upper right corner. In here, we should be able to find the data plan option for every SIM that you have active on your phone. And if you go to the data plan, you should be able to find the monthly data limit option, which we can of course set up over here. You can also adjust the warning level if needed. And if you apply a limit, let's say I'm gonna set it up to 100 gigabytes. There we go. Then we should be able to also go to data warning option in here, where we can set up the daily data usage limit. So this is how we can turn it on this phone. If you want to deactivate it, then most of the time you just have to, unfortunately, set up like a really high monthly data limit, because there is no way to just simply deactivate it. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.